In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate a simple invoice that you can send to clients. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an invoice. For example, I might type, "Create an invoice for website design services worth $500. After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a basic invoice template, usually including sections like the client name, service description, amount, and payment details. If I want the invoice to be more detailed, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the client name, invoice date, and payment terms. For example, I might type, "Create an invoice for logo design services for a small business." Claude can also format the invoice in a clean structure that's easy to copy into a document or invoice template. Once the invoice is generated, I can copy the content and place it into a document or billing system before sending it to the client. And that's it. I've successfully created an invoice using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.